I would say the most common misconceptions about emerging technologies or business leaders is that they can face the challenges of those technologies by themselves. General AI ethical issues are the following. Uh, First of all, we should ask ourselves, might AI and algorithms infringe fundamental human rights, from privacy and data confidentiality to freedom of choice? How can we ensure that social and cultural stereotypes are not replicated in AI when it comes to gender discrimination? How can we ensure accountability when decisions and actions are fully automated? How do we ensure that AI is developed in a transparent way? As we know, image generators can create almost lifelike images, which has raised concerns about artistic integrity and abuse. AI has been accused of propagating human biases, namely because of AI technologies are trained using data provided by humans. There are possible mitigations of the potential for biases by examining the underlying data used to train AI systems. There are, though, concerns about data privacy, security, and usage practices. And then there is the issue of sentient machines. As we know, when they receive a prompt, chatbots analyze the pattern to predict what a human would be most likely to say in that situation. Their responses are financed by human engineers. The end result is often a realistic simulation of human conversation. But the main difference between chatbots and autocomplete is that ChatGPT will write far longer swaths of text on almost any subject you can imagine. But even with these powers, chatbots are programmed to simply follow the human instructions. There is little scope for them to develop faculties that they haven't been trained to have, including, of course, emotions. I would say the most common misconceptions about emerging technologies or business leaders is that they can face the challenges of those technologies by themselves. This is amazing to say, but this is the truth. Why? Let's come to the basic issue. The use of AI implies that the company must transform its business. Boss should have an AI expert give a presentation or hold regular advisory meetings. AI experts should understand how to commercialize a product using AI and see the impact of AI on the company's activity. So there will be a need of AI and cybersecurity experts in every board of directors and in general of stakeholders with an entirely different set of skills and backgrounds. So there should be a new approach for board of directors. Under new US regulations, companies will need to disclose whether the entire board, specific board members, or a committee are responsible for cybersecurity and soon for AI. This includes the process of informing the board about cybersecurity risks, how frequently this topic is discussed, and how the board considers these risks as part of its broader business and risk management strategy. So finding individuals who not only possess the necessary technology knowledge, but also exhibit a global mindset and can fully fulfill the fiduciary responsibilities as independent directors is a complex task. Independent directors and board executives must be capable of strong leadership and strategic thinking. They must also be skilled in governance, compliance, and decision making, and be dedicated to the organization's performance and shareholders' value. Well, I like this question because it comes to exactly what the message that I give goes through the audience. In general, people at my conferences say, Massimo explains difficult things in an easy way. I think this is very important because there is no point in being super prepared if then when you talk to people, they do not understand what you're saying. It is vital not only to know well what you are talking about, but above all, being able to communicate that to your audience. I think I'm able to do that.